Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today I'm going to make crème de volaille. Crème de volaille is a delicious sauce that's based on chicken, mushroom, cream and creme fraiche, and it's really good. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more sauce recipes, because there are gonna be a lot more coming. But for now, let's begin. Start by heating up a baking pan. Now add a splash of oil. Then bake 2 kilograms of chicken necks golden brown on both sides. Meanwhile, clean 400 grams of shallots and 400 grams of onions. Cut both in big slices. Once the chicken is golden brown, transfer it into a big pot and repeat it with the rest of the chicken. Then bake your shallots golden brown on a high heat. Meanwhile, cut 500 grams of mushrooms in 4. Now add the baked shallots to the pot and then repeat this with the cut onions and the mushrooms. After that, deglaze the baking pan with 750 milliliters of white wine. Pour this in the pot, together with 6 sprigs of thyme and 2 bulbs of garlic cut in half. Now add enough water till everything is submerged. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 8 hours. After that, strain the broth and let it drain for at least half an hour. This so you don't waste a single drop. Now put it through a fine sieve. Then add a liter of whipped cream and 500 grams of creme fraiche. Reduce this till it's half the amount of sauce and then blender it. Now add just a splash of ponzu vinaigrette to balance out the rich fat flavors. Then one final time put it through a fine sieve and season it with salt. Now just give it a final taste and it's ready to be served. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So subscribe if you want to see more sauce recipes, and as always, bon appetit!